this. He had breakfast with the living Yeshua. Regarding the patriarch David, that he both died and was buried. And his tomb is right over there to this day. I mean, he's on the Temple Mount. Mount Zion's just across the little path there, the little gully. And I can just, depending where Kepha was standing, I'm sure he just saying, hey, King David wrote these things, but he can't be speaking of himself because you just davened at his tomb yesterday. It's right over there, 50 yards over. That's powerful stuff. And so because he was a prophet, he knew that God had sworn to him with an oath to seat one of his descendants on his throne. It's a descendant of David that prophecy's about. He looked ahead and spoke of the resurrection of Mashiach, the Messiah, that he was neither abandoned to Sheol, nor was his flesh to suffer decay. Yeshua did descend to Sheol. Yeshua on the cross next to the thief, remember? They're both going to die within hours. Today you will be with me, not in hell, please. You will in paradise. I mean, it's just read the Bible, right? I mean, it clears up a lot of questions. He told that repentant thief, you will be with me. We're going to Sheol. That's the way of all flesh, all of us. But if you believe in me, we're going to paradise. Wow.
We will lift you up and praise your